Yo, it's like, what's up? I finally met someone that I've been wanting to meet because I was supposed to meet them a while ago, but things happened. There's another person I want to meet. It's a chick. She does photography, but it was nice to finally meet you. Sorry, like we couldn't meet before. Just so much stuff going on. But yeah, if y'all see me at these meets, dude, I'm not mean. It's just like I don't like people staring at me. So like that's the only reason why I look mean. Like just come up and say something to me. Say what's up, TR Vlogs. What's up, TR, or what's up, Humbly Driven, or whatever. Like I'm nice. I just, like I said, I just don't like that staring shit. Look at this other creepy motherfucker just fucking watching me, motherfucker. You know what I like to do? I like to eat this sometimes without the milk or water. It's actually pretty good. It's strong but good. No joke.
Quality.
You're stealing food. You're stealing food.
It's TR's lunch right there.
This is vlog life.
After she eats her powdered hot chocolate, she goes for that.
They don't like my powdered chocolate.
She's on a specific dried food diet.
This is on YouTube.
YouTube of what? You eating chocolate powder?
No, this is my vlog.
Did your vlog know you're disgusting?
No!
And you eat chocolate powder?
I showed him. I told him, don't judge me.
I like videos for eating chocolate
Where's Ruku? Do you need help?
I don't block
You
it.
need help?
No, tried to just sabotage
Do you need help?
Nope, I'm a grown woman.
I could have fucking recorded you. Where are you going?
I'm not working today. I'm just gonna leave this day.
Don't fucking joke with me.
Oh, who the fuck? Oh, they have another table. I was like, who took all this shit?
Where are you going?
Look at my car.
I'm gonna follow you.
I have to.
Do you need help?
No.
Give me it.
Oh, you're breaking. It just ripped.
Liar.
It did. Look. Yeah, now I think you need help.
Hey, look, I didn't start lifting yet.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look, he's in the car.
I'm trying to get a gym membership.
Not there. Fuck them people. They damaged my car.
It fucking look like getting a gym membership over there.
I see you in the, the fucking WRX. Hold on, I want to get some shots for my vlog.
Some shots, like
Look at this motherfucker. Dude, I thought your windows, oh wait, wrong car, duh. Your windows are not that dark.
yeah, but it's too dark for Maryland, I think.
I don't understand, like, I'm out the fucking Subaru. It's a Subaru. There was the other dude, but it's not. He has like Impreza. Just motherfucker. Look at that. Fucking bitch. Hey, baby. Fuck it on. He's trying to lock you. What you looking at? I'm out of breath. I need to go to the gym.
You're running.
I was trying to get the Subaru. Car's life. I had to ask you a question. This dog here is like obsessed with me. Okay, cider. Yeah, her. It's not a laser. Don't do it. It's not here. It's right here. Hey, where's that retarded dog? That dog? That one? She has Tourette's. Hey, dog! Hey, nut cake! Hey, take this, Raven! Yeah, Raven sucks. Expecto! Patronum! What the fuck? I fucking love him. You said what? See, I'm starting to like basketball. He's my fucking life. Why are you talking to me like that?
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.